Here we have the XbotGo AI Cameraman. It's a 3-axis gimbal for your smartphone, but with an interesting AI feature that we'll get onto. So in the box you have the gimbal itself. It also comes with a mini tripod to stand the device upright, as well as a very high quality carrying case. And finally there's a USB-C charging cable and wrist strap. So the gimbal itself feels very high quality. So on the handle of the device there's the controls and the battery level indicator. And if we turn the device around, there's a capture trigger, so you can use this button to take photos or videos. To the side of the grip there's a USB-C port to charge the device. Attaching your smartphone to this device is very simple. You just have to slot it into this spring-loaded clamp. And finally on the bottom of the device there's a tripod thread, so you can actually attach the mini tripod that comes with the device. This allows you to stand the gimbal up, which will be useful if you're using the AI feature that we'll get onto in a second. Alternatively, you can use a larger tripod. So XbotGo sent me their Tripod T1, which is their small compact metal retractable tripod. So something like this would be perfect in combination with this gimbal. And it is worth mentioning that this gimbal still works with larger smartphones, so I've been using my Google Pixel 7 Pro with it and it works absolutely fine. So there are a lot of smartphone gimbals on the market, so the question is, how good is this device as a smartphone gimbal? So this shot was taken on my Google Pixel and I made sure to turn off the in-camera stabilization. So on the left is without the gimbal and on the right is with the gimbal, and as you can see the 3-axis stabilization of this gimbal works really well. It does smooth out the footage. It allows you to produce some very steady shots. So if you want to buy this device to use as a smartphone gimbal, then I can confirm yes, it works really well. So we're now going to move on to the AI feature that makes this particular gimbal unique. So XbotGo are marketing this particular device as a sports tracking gimbal. So what does this all mean? Well, when paired with the XbotGo app, you are able to set this gimbal up on a tripod and use the app to select a subject, and essentially this gimbal will track the subject, which is a very nice feature. XbotGo have gone a step further and you can also track sports games. You could set your smartphone up on this gimbal and it'll always follow the action. Now I do want to say that I was very impressed with the XbotGo app. It does contain some quite in-depth sports tracking features. It allows you to choose what sport you're going to be recording as well as how many players are going to be on the pitch. Now in terms of negatives with this device, there are only really 2 things I could think of that could be improved. The first one is that the tracking could be a bit smoother. Sometimes I've noticed that it is a little bit jolty, but this is definitely something that could be improved with software updates. The second thing that I noticed is the XbotGo app only records at a maximum of 1080p resolution, whereas if I were to record through the phone's camera app I can record up to 4K, but obviously the tracking is only available when using the XbotGo app, so it would be nice to see an update that bumps the resolution to 4K. So in conclusion, should you buy the XbotGo AI Cameraman? Well, the answer is it depends. Although this is a very high quality smartphone gimbal, other brands such as DJI make devices such as the Osmo Mobile SE, which is half the price of this. So if you're planning on buying this device purely to use it as a gimbal, then I would probably look elsewhere. At £170 there are definitely other brands that do the same thing but for a lot less. So the main reason I'd advise someone to buy this particular gimbal is if there's someone that's going to take advantage of the sports tracking feature. Anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed my review of the XbotGo AI Cameraman, and if you are interested in checking out this device there'll be a link in the description. And as always, if you have enjoyed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We've just hit 3,000 subscribers, and I'll see everyone in my next video.